morning, guys. Well, it is a sunny but crisp, beautiful morning in Arkansas. So today I have a bunch of projects that I wanted to get done, but one of those projects is making some crafts for my craft show. Now, the regular market season is pretty much coming to an end. I have the rest of October that I'll be going to market, but this Saturday I have a craft market that I'm going to. So I do have some stuff that I already made that I'm going to bring, but today I wanted to work on some Christmas trees. Now, these Christmas trees, I know some of you have seen. We did a raffle off on our channel last December, and one of our subscribers won that tree. Now, the tree was made of cedar, which was milled off of our property. But today I'm using cedar that was milled from Jason and Tara's property at White Rock Homestead. We went to visit them yesterday. As most of you know, they are home for a little while. So we went over because it's been 3 months and we really wanted the opportunity to just kind of hang out. We did get some projects done, but nothing significant. So Jason and Eric milled up some cedar planks for me, and that's what I'm going to be using on my Christmas tree that I'm going to make. Now, I don't actually have one here because I've either sold them or giving them away that I can show you guys, but you'll get the point as we go along today. Alright guys, so I have all of my equipment out here that I need. Basically, it's the chop saw, measuring tape, pencil. I have a table out here so that I can actually put the tree together. I have my nail gun and just a few other. I have the compressor out here. So just a few things that I'll need to put it together. I do need to go get wood glue, but we're not at that point yet, so I'll have to go find some. But one of the first things that I need to do is actually set this chop saw to a 30-degree angle, because that is what all of the end cuts are. So let's get this over there. Get that in place. All of my pieces cut, I'm going to show you what it looks like when I put it together. I gotta still get glue so that I can tack it and get it all measured out so that it's all even, and then I'll be tacking it in with some finish nails. We spent our days on the coast of something beautiful. We got
tired of something real. Somehow I lost you on the way. I assumed you left me behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it. Now I know what I've got to do is find my way back to you.
Alright, so that's pretty much the basic concept. Once I get it all glued to where I want it for all the proper measurements and then tack it all together, it'll look much better because they actually stand up and you'll be able to see a really good end result. This is my finished product. So it will stand and sit on the table. And sometimes I decorate by putting an ornament in here. Some people I've seen put candles in here, like little small tea lights or whatnot, just to illuminate it while it's sitting on a table. I mean, obviously it's wood, so you gotta be careful with flame, but this is the overall concept. And they're cute, they smell good, and it's another craft that I can bring to the market. So with all that being said, I'm gonna get going on making maybe a couple more of these. We'll see what happens today. But I'm still going to have to do a few more things around the homestead that I need to get done and do some harvesting. But thanks for joining me today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!